Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to solve PayPal bank account link problems. First, ensure your bank account details are accurate and match your PayPal information exactly. Then, verify your bank account by confirming the two small deposits PayPal makes. Also, check for any existing limitations or restrictions on your PayPal account that might prevent linking. Addressing these initial steps can often resolve many common issues quickly. A common issue is when your bank account is already linked to another PayPal account. Make sure it's not. Also, confirm your bank account type is supported, typically checking or savings, as credit cards usually aren't. Crucially, your name on the bank account must exactly match the name on your PayPal profile. Discrepancies here are a frequent cause of linking failures. When troubleshooting, double-check the routing and account numbers for any typos or errors, as even one incorrect digit can cause problems. Remember to allow 3 to 5 business days for the small verification deposits to appear in your bank statement. If these deposits don't show up, try removing the bank account and then re-adding it carefully, ensuring all details are correct. If you've tried all these steps and the problem persists, it's time to contact PayPal customer support directly. Be prepared to provide your account details and a clear, concise description of the issue you're facing. As an alternative, if linking a bank account remains problematic, consider linking a debit card instead, which can often serve a similar purpose for transactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.